welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of our presentation is winter vacations. We will use as a background an image from nature and we will adjust its colors to fit the season we want, winter. The first step we take is to insert an image. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Pictures, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. We see that the dimensions of the image are smaller than our slide, so we adjust the image to our slide. We also see that we have chosen the large size of the image so that it is not blurred. We always pay attention to this. We click on the image and drag the mouse first for the left side and then from the right side until it meets the borders of our slide. Then right click Format Picture, we choose Picture Correction, Picture Color Saturation, we choose the first. Then we will insert a rectangle to write our title inside. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Shapes, choose Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Now we have a blue rectangle. To have the same design results, we will give dimensions. We go to Shape Format ribbon, top right at the height, 90.05 cm or 7.5 inches if you have inches in your settings. And right below at the width we add 11 cm, and if you have inches in your settings it's about 4.33 inches. Now we right click on the rectangle, Format Shape, we go to Fill, Solid Fill, Color, Eyedropper. We choose the color that we want from the left side outside of the design area, line, no line. We set the transparency at 6%. Now we will insert our title inside the rectangle. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose and click Text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go and choose from the Home ribbon, Calibri font, 36 size, text shadow, and we write our title. Shift apostrophe, and white color. We want it with white color. Shift apostrophe, Winter Wonders, embrace the beauty of nature on your dream vacation. Close apostrophe. We adjust the title. And now we want to insert the presenter's name. We go to Insert, click Text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Calibri font size 20, white color. And we write our presenter's name by Martha G. Santos. Now we will put two small rectangles up from the title and down from the presenter's name. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Shapes, click the rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Fill, Shape Format, Shape Fill Eyedropper, we choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, shape outline, no outline. Right click copy, right click paste, and we put it here. Now it's time for animations. First we click the image, we go to animations ribbon, we go to emphasis, grow shrink, start with previous, duration 2, we go now to the big rectangle, entrance shape, start after previous, duration 1, effect options out and box. We go to the title, let's close the format shape, we go to the title, entrance zoom, start after previous, duration 1, effect options object center as one object as it is, we go to the small rectangle, up, entrance fly in, start after previous, duration 0.50, effect options from top. We go to the presenter's name, we click it, entrance zoom, start after previous, duration 0.50 as it is, effect options, object center as one object as it is. And now we go to the rectangle down, entrance fly in, start after previous, duration 0.50 as it is, effect options from bottom as it is. And now we click at the slideshow button to see the final result. And that's it. Thank you very much. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!